drjockers.com reports 10 critical ketogenic diet tips. 10 critical ketogenic diet tips. A ketogenic diet is very low carbohydrate, moderate protein, and high fat based nutrition plan. A ketogenic diet trains the individual metabolism to run off fatty acids and ketone bodies. This is called fat adapted. When the body has adapted to run off the fatty acids, ketones at rest. How does ketosis work? Traditional diet is higher in carbs. Glucose levels rise. Pancreas secretes insulin. Insulin shuttles glucose into a cell, which equals energy. But keto diet is higher in fat. Glucose levels fall. Lipase releases, stores triglycerides. Fatty acids travel to the liver, and the liver produces ketones, which equals energy. Now, number 1 out of the 10 tips, it is going to be stay hydrated. The best time to drink water is drink a lot of water when you first wake up, drink water in between meals, drink water before and after exercise, drink more water to help detoxify or prevent illness, drink a glass or 2 of water if you are tired during the day. Number 2, practice intermediate fasting. 5 types of fasting. Simple fast, which is 12 hours. Cycle fast is 16 hours 3 times weekly. A strong fast, 16 to 18 hours daily. Warrior fast, 19 to 21 hours daily. 1 day fast is a full 24 hours fast each week. Number 3, consume enough good salts. The common table salt, purified, a process that involves a recrystallization at over 1,200 Fahrenheit. 97.5% sodium chloride, 2.5 of additives. Depleted of its natural minerals. Includes anti-caking compounds. Likely contains iodine and or is fluoridated, particularly in the U.S. countries. Does not sound good. Compared to Himalayan pink salt, contains 84 essential minerals required by the human body, 85% sodium chloride, 15% trace minerals, a good source of magnesium in which 80% of all individuals are deficient, promotes a healthy pH balance of the cells, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and helps regulate the body's natural sleep cycle. Number 4, get regular exercise. Example of an exercise program to help. On Monday, upper body resistant training for 15 to 20 minutes. Tuesday, lower body resistant training for 15 to 20 minutes. Wednesday, 30-minute walk around the block. Thursday, upper body resistant training for 15 to 20 minutes. On Friday, lower body resistant training for 15 to 20 minutes. Saturday and Sunday, recreational activities like walking. Number 5, improve your bowel motility. Number 6, don't eat too much protein. Number 7, choose carbs wisely. Number 8, use MCT oil whenever possible. Number 9, keep stress down. Number 10, improve your sleep. Strategies for better 7 strategies for better sleep. Get some sunlight. Avoid artificial light, which is indoors. Black out your room. Forming healthy sleep habits. Balance blood sugar. Smart caffeine intake. And tame your mind. Conclusion. Healthy lifestyle strategies play a very important role in helping you get into and maintain ketosis. Using some sense with your lifestyle habits and activities can mean all the world of difference between a state of fat adaptation where you have sustainable energy and mental clarity, or a state of sugar burning where you are feeling sluggish, having brain fog, or carbohydrate cravings. By understanding how your body tolerates stress and following the strategies above, you will give yourself a significant advantage in life. You will be able to understand that unique factors keep you in ketosis and what factors knock you out of it. This will help you prepare yourself for optimal career performance, a lean physique, and great energy for relationships and recreational activities.